Hey friends, Friba here from Watch Knitting YouTube channel with another easy stitch pattern for you. Today I'm going to show you how to knit this stunning diamond pattern. It's beginner friendly, worked over a multiple of 4 stitches plus 3 with a 12 row repeat. All wrong side rows are purl. This stitch is simple, textured, and perfect for blankets, baby projects, and so much more. I'll be demonstrating with worsted weight yarn and 2.5 millimeters needles, but feel free to use any yarn and needle size you like. I've already cast on 15 stitches here, which gives me 3 repeats of the pattern. I also work 2 rows of garter stitch, knit 1 row, then knit the return row. Now I'm ready to begin with row 1 on the wrong side. Okay, let's dive in. Row 1 is purl across. I slip the first stitch for a neat edge and purl the row. For the edge stitch at the end, I knit the last stitch. If your tension tends to be tight, try keeping it a little looser on the wrong side rows to help minimize curling. I will fast forward through the plain rows to save some time. Okay, now I'm in row 2. I'm gonna start by picking up the edge stitch. And then for the next 4 stitches, we're gonna start by knitting into the first stitch. So you look for the stitch below the next stitch and knit into it. And then for the next 3 stitches, we're gonna slip the stitches while the yarn is in the front. So I bring the yarn to the front and then transfer these 3 stitches purlwise to my right needle and repeat again. Knit into the stitch below, yarn forward, and pick up 3 stitches. So try to adjust this yarn. We don't want it very loose, we don't want it very tight. Knit 1 below, yarn in front, and slip 3. And last stitch, knit 1 below, and the edge stitch. Now I will purl across this row. Okay, here we are in row 4. So this row we're gonna work just knit stitches across the row, just plain knit row. This is because we want to have more space between the patterns, this pattern and the next pattern. That gives a better look to the final pattern. And next I will purl across the next row. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward the purl row. Okay, here we are in row 6. In this row, we're gonna shape the angles of the diamonds. So I will start by picking up the edge stitch, and then I will knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, So now we are in the center stitch. This is the center stitch of these 3 stitches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert my right needle under the strand here, the horizontal strand here, and then I will knit 1 stitch, the center stitch, and then pull it through from under that strand, and then put it back on the left needle again and knit 1 more time. Okay, adjust your yarn and then knit 3 stitches. Now again, we are in the center stitch, the same process. Insert the right needle under the strand, knit the stitch, then pull it under that strand. Place it back on left needle, knit 1 more time. Adjust the yarn, knit 3, and repeat the same process, which is my last repeat here. Okay, and then knit the last 2 stitches and knit the edge stitch. So you see we are shaping the first pattern. Now I will purl across row 7. Okay, now in row 8, we're gonna offset the previous pattern by shifting the pattern a little bit. So I will start by picking up the edge stitch, and then I will knit the first 2 stitches, 1, 2, and when you got to this stitch on top of the one we create the pattern, we're gonna knit into that stitch, and then the same thing, you're gonna bring the yarn to the front, pick up 3 stitches, and knit into the stitch below. Repeat the same thing, knit 1 below, and then here we don't have enough, I will just knit the last 2 stitches and knit the edge stitch. So we're gonna repeat purl row, I will fast forward, now row 10, we're gonna work another knit across. And row 11, purl across. Okay, here we are in row 12, which is the last row repeat of the pattern. I will start by picking up the edge stitch. Now I'm gonna knit 4 stitches until I, before the middle stitch here, the center stitch of the three stitch group. So I will knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the same process. We're gonna insert, knit, pull it through, place it back, knit one more time, adjust the yarn, knit 3, and again same thing here. So as you see, it's pretty simple process for this pattern, and still it's very practical pattern you can use for a lot of projects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you try it. Let me know if you have any questions, and stay tuned for more tutorials from my channel. Up until next time, happy knitting. Take care.